Okay, so today it is only 61 degrees outside, and I'm going to review a new product, new to me anyway. This is an Uncapping Fork slant planer, and I'm going to demonstrate this on some winter honey that's left over. I'm going to show you how to get honey out of a frame the cheapest and quickest way possible. I mean, why crush and strain when you can uncap, plane, and drain? That's what we're going to do. This thing is 300 series stainless, really strong. When you hit it with your finger, it rings out, so it's nice and hard. This thing is going to last a long time. Now I'm using two different medium frames here. This one, as you can see, the comb is drawn out really proud from the frame, and on the other one the comb is a little bit recessed because when you're using an uncapping knife, these things present challenges. So I'm going to run this thing through, and you're going to be impressed. Watch and listen. This is a beautiful, fully capped frame of honey. Again, these are winter stores left over that we pull off because the bees are bringing in brand new honey. Let's do this. So if you've got just a couple of beehives, one or two, and you just want to be able to pull some medium frames and get the honey off of those frames and strain it, this is a regular kitchen colander. This Uncap planer is very inexpensive. I paid full price for it on Amazon. I have nothing to do with these companies. I'm going to put the link to it down in the video description. You can go get one of your own, but I guarantee you these are going to sell out immediately. These things are solid, 300 series stainless, super sharp, razor sharp. They cut right through everything. And I have it here in a empty brood box that's been painted black. I cover it with a window from an old basement window. And even though it's only 61 degrees, the sun heated this up to 84. So it accelerated the honey melting off and going right down into that collection pan underneath. 2 medium frames. I originally was just going to uncap, but then I decided, well, let's just remove honey and see how that goes. And it went fantastic. Look at it dripping down in here. And it was kind of sloppy. I could have done this better. I originally was just going to try to skim the surface, but then when I realized how easily it cuts everything away and doesn't clog up, you can just keep right on working. Now we have wax to use. We can drain it off. Here it is with the double pane window on it, 84 degrees inside. It drained pretty fast. This whole process was less than 40 minutes, start to finish. Here's the leftover wax and capping, some of the best wax you can get. Here is the quart jar of honey that we just took off, and here it is, rinsed in fresh water. I can't think of anything simpler or cheaper. Thank you for watching. Look for one down in the video description. They're selling out, I guarantee it.